Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the edge panel position. Go to settings, tap on the option display, simply scroll down, tap on the option edge panel. First of all, you need to turn on the option edge panel. Tap on the option edge panel. Here you can see the option handle. So now the edge panel is here. Here you can see. If you swipe inwards, you can see. Okay, tap on the option handle. Here you can see the option position. Now if you want to change the edge panel position to left, tap on the option left. Now the edge panel is here, and also you can adjust the position on the left side. Okay, here you can see, if you swipe inwards, you can see the edge panel. So simply in this way we can enable, we can adjust or we can change the edge panel position on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.